You fucking suck.
I was looking at my card, yo.
You suck. I would have done it.
We should have concealed that turn.
I won this game. You lost. If you lose, you know why.
If I'm not even going to use this unit that turn, I should have concealed.
Guys, instead of riding, you should tell him to play faster.
Now we lose. Well, this guy's racing. At least he was racing. I'm so fucking mad.
Wait, we can kill him next turn. He's only at 30.
What's he doing?
We lost?
No. We're going to kill him.
Yeah, let's figure out how to kill him.
Okay, so Leroy Cold Blood is 10. We have 5 on our dagger.
Shadow Step.
Whatever, let's just press the buttons and see if it works.
Yeah, I think that's how we can do this.
Let's backstab one of these guys. If this...
Just press everything.
Just pressing all the buttons.
We have Shadow Step. We have Shadow Step.
Yeah,
Fuck,
I
did
know.
we fuck up?
No, but if I Shadow Step, I can't Cold Blood. But I guess this is more damage than Cold Blood. 6. Maybe I'll draw a prep. Number 2. I only use 1, right?
I don't know. Wait, I think we win.
He's dead.
What the? He did well.
I didn't even attack the last turn, dude. Woo!
Win streak.
That was really funny. What?
Oh, sub only mode too. That sucks.
Oh no, sub only off. We need to see the chat.
You fucked it up. There you go, dude.
Let's see how many people's that.
Oh, 11 down. God damn.
Okay, I like the part where he said, let's not even do the math. Let's just keep... You know what?